Hello, it's Anna. Today, I brought some letters and shapes. Which characters should I make next? For the alphabet characters, I already have my own character designs. So I'm going to make them with clay and add them to my drawings. There are 26 characters, so it will take some time. But the good thing is, the characters are already designed. In the past, I made alphabet songs about jobs, cars, animals, and many other things. This time, I'm thinking about making a music video with a story. For the shapes, I don't have any character designs yet. So, I need to decide everything from the designs to the number of characters. I'm going to start with 3 basic shapes: a circle, a triangle, and a square. First, I cut out the shapes from felt. Next, I use the sketchbook app to draw arms, legs, and faces. And then, ta-da! My shape friends are here. Later, I will make more shapes by adding more sides. Which friend do you want to meet next? Please go to the community tab and vote. And if you have any ideas about what kind of story you'd like to see, please share them with me. Thank you.